update from my farm. There's a tomato, another tomato, and the bitter gourd, the flowers. It's coming up again. Hope to have some bitter gourd, and it's growing very fast. See, and look at my eggplant flowers coming out. Eggplant flowers there, so nice. Can you see it? And then my bell pepper, there is a bell pepper in there. Oops, there's a visitor there. This one is the red chili tomato. Flowers of tomato. And then another tomato here. Bunch of tomatoes. And then there's another one here. Here another one. Looks yummy. See? Can't wait to eat you. So yummy there. And then I'm gonna show you my rose. My rose is there. It's here. And then my hydrangea. Look at my hydrangea. It's baby pink. So beautiful. The other one is here. Then another one coming here. I think this one is gonna be a dark pink or fuchsia, the color. It's there. And look at my basil. It's so good. And look at my pond. This is my insect trap. Oh, lots of insect. There you go. I'm very happy for this hydrangea. It's so cool. I can cut it and put it at the altar. So nice. And that's my update for today. See? My eggplant. Okay, again guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.